is the Induction Solutions Sledgehammer kit. I refer back to the earlier video where we did the dyno. And for those of you who've been following along, you already know this motor made 700 plus on the dyno Pumpy 85. For the sake of time, let me break out the Induction Solutions kit. I want to give a shout out to Steve at Induction Solutions and Jose. You guys were awesome to work with, and I appreciate that. Thanks for the shirt. And you have your fuel lines. We also have a bracket for the nitrous bottle. This is a 15-pound bottle, by the way. So we plan on nice back bracketry, powder coated black, good welds. And we've got setting the timing back. We're not doing anything like that. The timing will be locked out on this motor. So when we spray nitrous, it already has the timing in it. To go and swing for a 600 horsepower shot of nitrous on race gas and a 550 shot on E85. The cool thing about Induction Solutions is they flow test their kits from in increments of 150 all the way up to 550 for E85 and to 600 on race gas. And I want to thank again Jose and Steve at Induction Solutions. I really appreciate it. And even on the instructions when you're tuning in your nitrous, Induction Solutions has a hands-on approach. So you kind of feel like you're getting support literally from the time you make the purchase all the way up until the track testing and tuning. So you couldn't ask for better service than that. Stepping up in power on the new combination. So nitrous won't be on order right away. I'm gonna have to get used to the car, you know, seat time and just adjusting to a combination. So I'm not gonna go from a car that made 500 horsepower into something that's 700 plus and then throw a 200-300 shot of nitrous in it. Full kill on E85 is 550 horsepower shot, and full kill on race gas 600. The cool thing about this is it's all flowed to your combination, so you couldn't ask for a better setup. We got a 15-pound bottle. Stuff with the Falcon 408 send-off lesson segments. I released a video about a week or so back. I gave an update on the Ford Falcon status, and then a couple days after that, I did some launch videos and just sending it. With the Falcon. And then I did another video that I released earlier, and that's just kind of the Falcon getting down on the Mickey Thompsons and finishing off the Mickey Thompson ET Street. Those things are down to the core. Literally, there is no more tire. We'll go ahead and clearance the fender so I can throw on the Toyo R888Rs and run the 335/30 setup that we have on it. and that should give me plenty of traction. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will keep you guys updated. Stay tuned to the swap. I'm giving you specific dates or promises because of course I can't predict everything. It's gonna be a team approach, so a 6-speed manual. So I'm really excited about that. I like the TKO 600. It worked well for a lot of years. Stout, never failed. The only thing I had to swap out was the clutch about 3 years ago. I went from a center force dual friction to the McLeod RXT, and the RXT has been everything that you could ask for in a clutch. Super grippy, doesn't slip after burnouts or launches. I mean, it's just there. The center force, you know, after 3 or 4 passes at the track, on that 4th or 5th pass, it would slip going down the track because it just had too much heat in it and it couldn't take it. This McLeod RXT is well up to the task for it. So back to the TKO 600, never given me issues. It's not the best shifting transmission. It holds the power, it holds the RPM that I want. It's the T56 Magnum, a manually shifted transmission. Now, there are some things you can do with that. The companies like Liberty, there's a few companies around the country, but it's all about faceplating it. And that's not something I'm really considering right now. I appreciate you guys staying tuned, being patient with me, and we are going to continue on their Sledgehammer kit. And I could not be more excited. Falcon community, small block Ford community, you guys stay tuned. We're gonna have some more content coming soon. Thanks.